December 17, 2025. Big day. Grabe atong gipag-agian. Tanan, plano. Approval gyapon sa imuha. Nagyapoy times na mag-away ta or nagka-misunderstandings lang kay ing ani mo gusto. Gusto din mo special lang, okay lang, normal, ana lang. Sa kuha, sa tuwa, we both know na priyota o gusto mahitabo. This day will be successful and I'm so happy and I can't say anymore. I love you always and forever.
Love is the binding power that helps you to decide about your future with one another. But one thing that we need to understand is love is not purely emotion. Love is always a decision.
Jave, from the moment we met, I know our journey would be special. You were there in every aspect, in my weakness, and every time I'm down. You were there. During my mom was passed, you were right there. Never left me. You were there to uplift me, support me, and understand me. And I knew you were the one for me.
Karon kay ano naman ta sa point sa tong life na naman ta sa point sa tong life na magnyani ta magminyo na ta is ako message lang is I love you tika and I love tika then syempre ug alagaan pud tika. I love you.
Hawakan mo ang aking kamay at dahan-dahan. Tayong dalawa.
My love, you are my dream come true. I choose you today and every day to be my partner and to grow and create a beautiful and meaningful life with you. I appreciate you more than words can express. You help me grow, inspiring me to be the best version of me.
Huwag kang mag-alala kahit pa.
Rosemary, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Oh, kapwede ninyo! Likod ang van! Saan mo eh? You wish. Uy, wow! Ako kaya! Ako na! Uy, agay!
Tumungaw sa palasyo ng
I vow to love you unconditionally through the good and bad times, the sad times, and the most hardest times of our life. With you, I feel so loved. I look forward to a lifetime of love, laughter, even its hardship and shared memories. I can't wait to spend forever with you through better or worse.
Manda, huwag kang mag-alala kahit pa lumabo ang matay. Ayos lang basta't kasama ka't lahat.
Did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Dito ka lang sa piling.
I appreciate you for being supportive with everything that I want to do. I just want to say thank you for taking care and loving me unconditionally. I promise you to continue to protect you from everything I can, no matter comes our way. I choose you. You have my heart and soul forever.
Kasama kang tumanda, huwag kang mag-alala. Kahit pa lumabo ng matay, ayos lang, basta't kasama ka't langit pa tuwing kapiling ka. Dito ka lang, oh, 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 dito ka lang. Sa piling ko, ang kilos ko